Afternoon. We're getting ready for the Ardmore car show. This is the Roadrunner that we dug out in a previous video that we got. Ted had found it in the woods in Limestone County, and we're fixing to take it to the Ardmore car show in Ardmore, Tennessee. I got to clean that thing up. It's been setting. Already got dirty and nasty. It's an 03 24 valve. Thing runs real good. Looks good. But she's been worked. Up around here and look at this Roadrunner a little more. We got there, somebody took the bumper off and it was laid on top of it. We just moved it to the car next to it. Didn't want it to come off. Yeah, it was pretty cool. Well, they found this. I think the owner was just known for buying a car, and when it gave it problems, he just parked it and got him another car. Everybody likes the Roadrunner. I like the truck. Yeah, we'll look at what it looks like up underneath. Crusty. All four wheels are locked up on it. You see those tires, that's how it was sitting. We picked it up out of the woods and they ain't offered to turn. Old-timey shackles. Got one dent right there. Looked like rust was its worst enemy. Wouldn't beat up too bad, it's already been replaced. I think we figured out this quarter panel, that wasn't a factory job. I think somebody had said something about the 68 Roadrunners in the later years, you could get an aluminum or stainless steel piece across there. But I think that, well, I understood this was kind of a basic model, no console in the car. To show what we're going to do, somebody had scratched. We don't know where it come from. It wasn't me. Somebody run into something and want to scratch all down the side. And I thought, well, we got a Roadrunner. Let's cut out some Roadrunner and a Coyote and we'll put it there on top of that scratch and make use of it. I think we got some cactus and a big boulder. So it looked like the old Roadrunner and Coyote cartoons. Well, I'm fixing to check the oil in this thing. Check it out before I wash it. Don't get my fingerprints all over it. Y'all come see us at Ardmore Car Show. That's one of the best car shows we've been to. We usually go on motorcycles, but Ted talked about he wished he'd have carried this to a Mopar event. And I said, well, man, if you don't mind, I'll load it up and carry it to Ardmore Car Show. Make good content. Make sure y'all come out and see us. This tire hold air, just for curiosity's sake. It's holding air.
She had air in them tires in nearly 50 years.
I know the wheels hadn't rolled since it was parked. And they're going to say around 35, 40 years. I'm not going to put too much more. I was just curious if it would blow up. too.
She's coming back to life.
We got this big baby washed. That's a lot of real estate to wash. We didn't touch the Roadrunner. We're going to try to leave it just like it is. See Penny. Last time I was at the car show, I think we won runner-up, best runner-up on the motorcycles. And I had my skeleton on the back seat. So I thought, well, we'll carry it this time, getting close to Halloween. Look cool, had a driver. Thing's a lot to wash. Paint job's about had it. But I think they're talking about, since it got scratched on the side, and carry it to Kentucky and have the bed removed and have it fixed and painted. And then we're going to carry the truck to another place and have it painted. And what's to be had of the Roadrunner, we don't know yet. There's been discussion of get it drivable, mechanically sound, and leave it all crusty on the outside, or do a complete restoration. They don't know what they're going to do. Kind of kicking around ideas and seeing how other people might react to what they're going to do. Well, that's a long ride. But I'm going to show you what we done. Earlier I showed you, had the Roadrunner. Make use of that scratch. Make it look like a road. Well, as I told y'all earlier, we're going to Ardmore car show in Ardmore, Tennessee. That's where it's Ardmore, Alabama on one side of the road, Ardmore, Tennessee on the north side of the road. Illegal to buy lottery tickets on Alabama side, legal on Tennessee side. It's a neat little town. It's a great car show. You come out and see us. Check out the Roadrunner close up. Ain't nothing but a bunch of rust. But it ain't no telling what you might see happen to the car. Well, y'all come see us. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button on your way out.